Hi beauty bees, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing my first impressions on the ABH in collab with Amrezy highlighter and the soft glam palette. I have been sitting on these products. It's been a good two and a half weeks now. I've been sitting on these products. It's because so many videos I filmed before it and then I totally forgot, and then I wasn't gonna do the video because everybody's doing the video, but then I figured my loyal subscribers would want to see my opinion on it, so that's why I went ahead and filmed it. So I did an all matte eye look, very simple. I am running out to work, so it's very simple everyday look. With this palette, I do feel like you can go ahead and do a really crazy, not crazy, because it is a soft glam palette. You can do a lot more glamorous looks, but I did something really simple. So yeah, I'm not going to talk much in this video. I'm just going to watch me use the products, and then at the end, as usual, you will get my final thoughts. I think that's all I have to say. Also, I pre-recorded last week a lot of videos, at least like 8 videos I pre-recorded last week. So my hair is gonna look different. Today's Sunday that I'm uploading this. My hair is gonna look different in the videos before this and after this. And then I just ordered some new bundles, so my hair is gonna look differently. But it's only because I pre-recorded other videos. But I'm not recording anything else until the ones that I pre-recorded are out. You guys are gonna see a lot more frequent uploads from me for the next 2 weeks. So you guys enjoy that. Let me know if you guys plan on picking this palette. What's your thoughts? I'm going to go ahead and jump right in, and I will see you all at the end. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get started. My brows are somewhat done. Do not mind them. I'm going to go off camera and fix them. This is something wrong. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my lid using my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I'm not going to talk much during this video because I'm kind of rushing at this point. And then I'm not going to talk much during this video because I'm not doing anything differently. I'm going to show you guys the shades I'm using. And I'm going to do an all matte eye because I got a comment on my OPV Ocean palette. I'll put a card for it right here, right now. In the comments of that they wanted me to do like a matte look. So the star of the show, well, one of the stars of the show. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Also, I live below someone that sings, and then in the end, I'll give like final thoughts and stuff. So I'm gonna stop talking here because they're getting a little crazy.
It's written on the wall of what you
So I know my face looks a little crazy, but I just went ahead and primed my skin off camera and prep for foundation. I like the look that I was able to come up with. These shades are really powdery, not as bad as Subculture, but on the verge of Subculture. Like, really powdery, but they blend it a lot better than Subculture on the eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my face. I'm just gonna speed up this section because you guys came in for the palette and the highlighters. I'm just gonna speed up this part, but you guys will see the process, and I will make it a point. I will make it a point to leave everything I use down in the description box. Alright, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm not that happiest with the look that I came up with. I got that comment saying they wanted me to do an all matte look. Here's the all matte look. I just feel like with this look, I'm not capturing how beautiful the palette is. So I spent like 20 minutes just now. I skipped ahead to the rest of my makeup, so I did everything. So that all I have to do now on camera is lips, highlight, and lower lash line. And I just spent this whole time just beating myself up because like I didn't really show how beautiful this palette is. And I'll do my YouTube channel to grow, and I just feel like I'm just putting out, like, you guys don't understand, like, I work really hard on my channel, and like everybody else does. Like, I have a full-time job. I work 40 hours a week. If I don't put in overtime, which I'm always putting in overtime, and it's like I do this on my days off. I do this before work, on my lunch break, and it's like I just hate when I don't capture looks that I have in my head, when I don't capture them on camera. Like, I just beat myself up over it. So I spent 20 minutes just now just like being so angry with myself, and right now I'm just not in the best mood right now because of it. I hope you guys are enjoying this video because it's taking a lot of me mentally to do it. So I'm getting like really frustrated. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna start in the lower lash line, and I'm gonna just take sienna and run that along my lower lash line just to keep the look really soft and pretty. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm gonna take Sultry, which is like a shimmering. I'm gonna pop Sultry into my inner corner. The shade looks so freaking pretty, like. Okay. Oh, and for lips, I'm gonna use the ColourPop Luxe lipstick in Friends. It's just a really nice matte brown. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and dip into this highlighter. I've been really excited about it. It was something I was about to say, and then totally whatever. So this is what the highlighter looks like. I feel like it has a name. So it says an illuminating powder with an ultra smooth formula and radiant finish. So we're gonna go ahead and try this on the skin. Gonna dig in. And this is how I normally apply highlighter. I set my face and then I go in. I really like this highlighter. The formula is really smooth. It almost just like melts down into your skin. It doesn't like just sit on top. I don't really see it exaggerating any of my texture. It is like a really, the only way I can describe it is like a thin formula. It's not too chunky. So now I'm gonna go ahead really quickly before you guys hear that singing and get to my final thoughts on these products. First things first, this palette. This is gonna be a really raw, uncut, honest review. Because I did purchase this with my own money. This palette and the highlighter, like I always do. This palette is freaking gorgeous. Like, it's really... When I first saw pictures of it, I didn't... First of all, I commented on Tremolo's. I was one of the people who commented on Tremolo's picture. I was like, I'm not buying this. It looks too plain. But I'm so glad I bought it. This palette is absolutely stunning. Now, it is very powdery. I'm talking like subculture powdery, like on the verge of subculture. I did not do a subculture video because I saw no point in sitting here and repeating to you guys the same thing that everyone was already saying. But I did purchase it with my own money from Sephora. I went in store and bought it, and I used it for a week, and I just could not create a good look. I created one good look with it, and it's on my Instagram, and it's the caption is hashtag ABH subculture. That's the only look that I was able to come up with that palette that I was really happy with. These mattes in here are more powdery than the Prism, and I had the Prism palette and I use it quite often. That palette, I do have a review on it on my channel, and it's more powdery than the Modern Renaissance. But it blends beautifully on the eyes. You can really create a really beautiful look. The look is very pretty. I just feel like I've done better looks on my channel. Nothing to do with the palette, all to do with me. So this palette, I highly recommend you guys check it out. Like I said, I'm just warning you, the mattes in here are very powdery, but they go on beautifully on the eyes. So this palette is a thumbs up for me. As for the highlighter, I like it. I'm not in love with it, but I think it's very pretty, and I thought it would be ashy. I really like this formula. Well, ABH makes a great highlighter formula. If you guys haven't watched my channel, you know I have some of her single highlighters. I have like 5 or 6 glow kits, so you should already know by now I like her highlighter formula. Highlighter formula. That's what I'm trying to say. But I like this. I'm probably not in love with it because I have to wear it around a little bit. It isn't like just sitting on top of my skin. It's actually blending in really well with my skin, so I like that. This is also a thumbs up for me. Alright, my lovely people, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative. And if you were debating on these products, I hope I was able to help you figure out whether you wanted to purchase them or not. If there's anything I missed in this video, make sure you guys leave it in the comments down below and subscribe before you leave. I love you all to absolute pieces, and I will see you all in the next one. Mwah.